What's poppin', y'all? It's your girl Team Stacy, and I'm back with another YouTube video. And if you're new to my channel, hello. If you're a returning subscriber, what's up?
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year only.
Alrighty guys, so in today's video I did go ahead and install this gorgeous blonde, doing one wig, two styles. So if you want to see how we go from this bone straight to this, definitely keep on watching. Alrighty guys, so today's video is sponsored by Dorsanee. This is their packaging. So they did go ahead and send me the wig, but we're gonna put it to the side. You get a headband, a wig cap, and some lashes, and your wig does come like in a packaging, but y'all, I got too excited and I had played with the wig before I showed y'all. But anyway, let's go ahead and prep this wig cap. I did go ahead, put some foundation on there and clean off my forehead. This is the beautiful unit. This is their P18 613 wig, 24 inches, and this is a 13 by 4 frontal. Okay, so after cutting off the back lace, now we're gonna go ahead and just put this right on my head, making sure it's sitting exactly where we want it to sit. And it was giving. So today I'm gonna glue it down with the Ghost Bonds glue. Guys, I'm moving really fast because I just love this wig so much, and I just wanted to get it on my freaking head to show you guys what this wig looks like. Also, this is just a PS. I'm sitting in my car doing my voiceover right now, and it's drizzling. Such a cute little scenery, but if you guys do hear like little droplets, that's what that is. It's just the rain, okay? But anyways, I did go ahead and do 2 layers of glue, and you want to make sure you're smoothing your glue down really flat, because that's what's going to help with it not having like that white residue show. When that glue is flat, it just makes sure that it dries down very clear. I love this glue so much. I do need to try something else, but I'm just obsessed with this glue. It's $20 at your beauty supply store, but it does last a long time. So if you don't have it, definitely invest in it. It's a good glue, okay? So after I put my wig down, then I'm going to take a rat tail comb and I'm just going to comb the lace into the glue. This is what's going to push the lace into the glue, but not the hair. The hairline looks a little bit thick, but I did pluck it off camera. But I feel like because the hair is so light and the lace is so light, you can't tell that I plucked it, but it was very much plucked, okay? So the way I cut my lace off is I cut a slit in the middle with a scissor, and then I'm going to take an eyebrow razor and cut the lace down. You can see the angle that the razor is in. I'm not cutting upward, I'm cutting downward. That's what helps me get as close to that glue where I don't have to go back in and cut it twice because I didn't cut enough lace off. Hopefully that makes sense, okay? I know I be talking fast, but that's the beauty of YouTube. You can always go back, rewatch the video. You know, you could just make it work, okay, girl? So yeah, we're just gonna go ahead, cut off this excess lace, and just get this wig just together, and that's all, period, okay? Alrighty guys, so the lace looks very lacy right now, but I'm going to show you guys what I do to melt this in. So I'm going to go back in with my Ruby Kiss Cream Foundation in shade 09, and I'm just going to rub that foundation all over the lace. So after you rub a foundation on the lace, then you want to take a spritz. I'm going to take the Firm Stronghold spritz, and I'm just going to spray it on the lace, and as you can see, it's already disappearing. But when you are spraying the lace, you want to have the blow dryer literally blowing as you're spraying, because what happens is it can make your lace lift, so that ensures that your lace doesn't lift. So yeah, that's just a little tip, but you can see instantly it melted the lace and made it disappear. So now I'm going to go ahead and pull out my edges. I really love the color of this wig. It kind of gives me like a stormy vibe because it does have like this grayish undertone to it. Very ashy, very, toned. Really love this color. I think this color is so beautiful and it's suitable on all skin types, okay? I love that. So after pulling out my edges, I am going to go ahead and just thin them out with a tweezer. This part is very important. I used to skip this step, but now I'm learning that it just makes the edges come out so much better. They look so much more professional. So after I cut my edges in an angle, we're going to take a 1/2 inch flat iron and we're going to curl it inward, okay? We're going to curl it towards us and not away from us, okay? Alright guys, so now we're going to do our little swoopy doop motion, you know what I'm saying? Making sure our edges is just flowing how we want them to flow. Alrighty guys, so I did my other side of edges off camera, and now I'm just going to define the part with that same foundation. So guys, this is what I look like after doing my makeup. If you guys want to see this makeup look, definitely check it out. This is what the hair looks like bone straight. It comes naturally bone straight. That's how the order was placed, but I want to show you guys what it looks like when we add some crimps, which you guys did see in the beginning of the video. But you guys have the best option. You have one wig, two styles, and you really could do more styles. Obviously, you could do a half up, half down. You could do like the little parts in the middle, in the front of the frontal, and you know, rubber banding and crisscrossing. Girl, you have endless options. But today I decided to add some crimps into it just to see how it holds a curl, and it holds a curl very, very well. Alrighty guys, so you made it all the way to the end of the video. Shout out to you. Thank you guys so much for tapping into all my videos. I love you guys so much. I truly, truly, truly appreciate the support. It just means the world to me. This hair was super, super duper gorgeous. You guys are interested in purchasing this unit, all the information is going to be in my description box with purchasing codes and all that good stuff. Also, if you are interested in this makeup look that I did, I also did a dedicated tutorial on this look. It's a beautiful orange soft glam, nothing too crazy but super duper pretty. Guys, I love this hair. It held the crimp so well. I don't know, comment down below which one's your favorite. Do you like the straight version or the crimp version? If you made it this far in the video, go ahead and give the video a big thumbs up. Join the team and just do it like Nike by subscribing to my channel, and comment down below this secret emoji right here so I know you watch my videos all the way through. I love you guys so much and cannot wait to see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.